You know how you get your nails done and you just like this? Okay, like nails. We about to get our hair done. Today is gonna be a good day. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Lexus Renee. Thank you for clicking onto this video and thank you for joining, coming back. If you coming back to watch me, yes, let's be friends. Girl, so right now I'm on my way to get my nails done. I'm on CP time and it's not too bad because like I didn't like, it's like, you know how you got a grace period. I didn't pass over the grace period. So yeah, so y'all, my nails is busted, you know, but I'm really am excited to take you guys with me while I go get my nails done and hair done. So it's gonna be a fun vlog, so stay tuned. I'm back from my nail appointment and I just pulled up at my house. I have another appointment at 1 o'clock with my stylist, and we're gonna go get a silk press. But before I go, I want to go say hey to the kids and my husband, you know, all that stuff. So but I want to show y'all my nails. Like I showed y'all a little bit in that clip before, but I want to give y'all like some detailed shots here because my nail tech, she did her thing. But these are my nails. She did a good job. Like, I love her. Like, yes, she actually gave me better than what I expected. So that's what it's looking like. You know how you get your nails done and you just like this? Okay, like nails. We about to get our hair done. Today is gonna be a good day. So right now I'm gonna go upstairs before I have to leave back out in 20 minutes to make sure I make it to my hair appointment on time. So when I come back, we about to go get our hair done. Okay, so I made it. I'm officially here. I'm about to get our hair done. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. So I am here at Target. I just had like a random idea before when I got out of my hair appointment, and I was just like, you know what, let me go buy something cute. So I am gonna buy some outfits, just get like some really cute pajamas, and I'm about to go get some body wash. I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thankful you, and I guess you said I don't mean to be bold, but I gotta let it go. Thankful you, and I guess you said. Good morning. Pop on here because I wanted to show you guys how I do my lashes. So I do not go and get them done. What I do is actually use the strips. I think the strips are a little bit better because you're not paying so much money. I think it's too high. It's like that's too high maintenance for me. Like, and then for them not to even last as long, like, and I'm paying $100, I just rather just go ahead and use the strip. What I'm about to do is go put on my makeup, get my lashes, and then I'll share with you guys how much I pay for them. I'm back, and these are the lashes that I like to use. These are really good if you're looking for a volume type of vibe, you know, like the ones you see on Instagram, like when they get their lashes done. These are kind of like the same vibe as that, but they're stripped. So, and it was super affordable. I will link the pricing down below. It didn't really break the bank, but I'm about to put these on so you guys can see them because they make me look cute. These are actually really cute lashes. First I was just like, okay, is this too much? But then like I got used to it, and it was actually really cute. So I'm about to put them on right now. Give me 1 second. So when you have your lashes, you're gonna want to bend them. This is what they look like up close. Anyways, it's not focusing, but you guys pretty much get the gist of it. You want to make sure it could bend towards the eye. So what I like to do is when I get my strip, I like to bend them, you know, bend them all around so it's kind of flexible. And then once I'm ready, I apply my glue. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to apply my glue. I always get asked, how do you put on your lashes? I can't put on lashes. So here's a video. But if you guys kind of like want a more in-depth, like step-by-step, like tutorial, then let me know in the comments and I will do that for you. If you are a person who struggle put on lashes, I'm your girl. Apply from the middle and then strap it to the corners, okay? So middle, corner. And then take your time and adjust it. You can use a tool, you know, to help you apply, but I don't like sharp objects around my eyes, so I'm just using my fingers. And you just connect it and smash it down. Ooh. Okay, let me put the other one on so you guys can see. Up close. So you see that? And this can get you that full volume look without you having to really break the bank. I'm gonna link everything down below just in case you're interested in the exact lashes that I have. But they have a ton of lashes on Amazon that are really cute. So yeah. So I hope this helped you. Stay cute. So don't say I ain't ever taught you nothing. Hey boos, pretty much what I do for my maintenance. Overall, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more videos, fun videos coming soon, so please subscribe, please like and comment what else you guys want to see from me that I can probably upload in the future. But hope you guys really enjoyed the video. So yeah.